Kilalanin natin ng official, new and improved complete lineup ng Strong Group Athletics para sa 34th Dubai International Championship Tournament. Point guards, Mikey Williams, pending player, signing, 6'2", 190 pounds, 33 years old, 16.1 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists, 0.8 steals, 36% 3-point shooter, 63% free throw shooter in his PBA 47th Governor's Cup averages. Jason Brickman, 6 feet, 165 pounds, 33 years old, 17.9 points, 6.3 rebounds, 12.7 assists, 2 steals, 45% 3-point shooter, 86% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Taiwan TPBL season averages. Jacob Lau, reserve player, 5'6", 155 pounds, 24 years old, 4.7 points, 2.8 rebounds, 2.5 assists, 50% 3-point shooter in his LaSalle Green Hills averages. Shooting guards, Dave Ildefonso, 6'4", 190 pounds, 24 years old, 4.4 points, 1 rebound, 0.9 assists, 0.5 steals, 25% 3-point shooter, 60% free throw shooter in his 2024 43rd William Jones Cup averages. Tony Inot, 6'1", 165 pounds, 23 years old, 10.1 points, 5 rebounds, 2.5 assists, 1 steal, 33% 3-point shooter, 78% free throw shooter in his NCAA 100 season averages. Malachi Ricardson, import player, 6'6", 205 pounds, 29 years old, 16 points, 5.2 rebounds, 1.7 assists, 0.9 steals, 37% 3-point shooter, 83% free throw shooter in his 2022-2023 Poland PLK season averages. Panoorin natin ang best basketball highlights ng import player ng SGA na si Malachi Richardson kung gaano nga ba ito kagaling. Small forwards, Renz Abando, 6'2", 157 pounds, 26 years old, 6.6 points, 3 rebounds, 1.4 assists, 1 steal, 1.6 blocks, 47% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his 2024 43rd William Jones Cup averages. Terry Larrier, import player, 6'7", 185 pounds, 29 years old, 7.3 points, 2.7 rebounds, 0.3 assists, 0.7 steals, 1 block, 28% 3-point shooter, 40% free throw shooter in his 2022-2023 Venezuela SPB season averages. Panoorin natin ang best basketball highlights ng import player ng SGA na si Terry Lallier kung gaano nga ba ito kagaling. Power forwards, Andre Blatch, former Gilas Pilipinas naturalized player, considered as local player, 6'11", 260 pounds, 38 years old, 10.5 points, 6.8 rebounds, 3.2 assists, 33% 3-point shooter, 60% free throw shooter in his 33rd Dubai Championship Tournament averages. Panoorin natin ang maikling basketball highlights ni Kuya Dre nang naglaro din siya sa SGA Pilipinas last 33rd Dubai Tournament. Allen Liwag, 6'6", 190 pounds, 23 years old, 14.6 points, 11.2 rebounds, 2.3 assists, 1.2 blocks, 52 field goal percentage, 78% free throw shooter in his NCAA 100 season averages. Justin Sanchez, 6'5", 180 pounds, 23 years old, 8.5 points, 4.5 rebounds, 1.5 assists, 50 field goal percentage, 60% free throw shooter in his NCAA 100 season averages. Centers: Ange Kwame, Gilas Pilipinas backup naturalized player, considered as local player, 6'11", 220 pounds, 27 years old, 7.3 points, 6.8 rebounds, 0.5 assists, 0.3 steals, 1 block, 48 field goal percentage, 75% free throw shooter in his ongoing 2024-2025 East Asia Super League season averages. DeMarcus Cousins, import player, 6'10", 270 pounds, 34 years old, 24 points, 14.1 rebounds, 3.8 assists, 1.8 steals, 1.6 blocks, 26% three-point shooter, 78% free throw shooter in his 2023-2024 Taiwan T1 League season averages. Panoorin natin ang mga best basketball highlights ni Boogie sa Taiwan kung paano niya nga ba sila napag-champion dito. Ito ang official new and improved complete lineup ng Strong Group Athletics para sa 34th Dubai International Championship Tournament. Sa tingin nyo mga kababos, makakapag-gold na ba ang lineup nilang ito? I-comment nyo na po yan sa baba.